Hey guys, TR Tony here. Hope you're doing well. Just wanted to give a big shout out to Indy Matu and his two mates, Jags and Bobby, who are part of the Stag Empire, who have been in the business of modifying stags for quite some time. And I'll show you some clips as we're talking through this video, just so you can see. And stay on to the end because some really interesting examples at the end. Have a look at this. Now, we've known Indy Matu for a little while. In fact, we bumped into Jags, his co-founder of Stag Empire, back in 2019, actually, at the Silverstone Stag Owners Club Day, where we did the parade lap. And look at the end of this video to watch that. It was a lot of fun. Effectively, they started the group in September 24, and alongside his mate Bobby and Jags, Indy has been growing up this classic car group in West London, attending car shows and developing a long life passion for them. The group is exclusively for Triumph Stag owners, celebrating this beautiful British classic sports car. It's got a strong local presence in West London, fostering lots of connections among nearby owners, and members regularly organise stag meets to showcase their cars and share their knowledge. And just looking at these cars in the beautiful spring sunshine here, I think you can just gauge just what a wonderful mark the car is, and how some of the subtle modifications that have been made, I think, actually enhance the motor. I love a lot of the paintwork that you've seen so far. There's been some fantastic paint jobs. Some of those cars are absolutely popping in that sunshine. As we've discovered over the years at Arry the Stag, guys, these cars aren't just classic cars, are they? They are really rolling expressions of people's personality, which I absolutely love. You know, if you look closer, the interiors is, I think, where the magic also happens. There's rich leather in deep tans, bold reds, even custom stitching that feels more like a luxury lounge than a vintage cockpit. It really does. The polished wood dashboards, perfectly restored gauges. It's the kind of space that makes you want to take the long way home. And then the paint, I've mentioned that already, but they're the flawless factory tones. I love that magenta you saw a little while ago. Head turning custom finishes, metallic blues, that magenta, the reds, the yellows, that shimmer, that deep racing green that looks a mile deep, even modern twists with pearlescent flake that just dances in the light. It's really great to see. Every Stag, guys, here I think stands out, yet somehow they all belong together under the Stag Empire. If you drop your eyes to the wheels, of course, and you'll see even more personality. Classic wire wheels, of course, for that timeless British elegance, the standard 1970s look Stag wheels, again with their own style. Chunky alloys that I think give a more aggressive stance. Some owners have gone full custom, polished lips, unique spokes, each choice transforming the whole character of the car. But here's the real heart of it. It's not just about the cars, it's about the people, and owners swapping stories, laughing over engine quirks, helping each other tune, tweak and perfect these machines. That's what it's all about. And there's a genuine camaraderie here, guys. You can feel it. It's a shared passion and a shared pride, and honestly it really is infectious, because once you experience a gathering like this, and that's true I think with any of us at car shows we go to, you don't just admire a Triumph Stag, you start imagining one of your own, and that's when you know you're absolutely hooked, line and sinkered. Ladies and gentlemen, to your cars. All right, guys, well, really interesting, I think, to see Indy, Bobby and Jags in what they're doing with modifying the Stags. For me, when we started the Arry the Stag journey, what has been a big standout has been the level of provenance with these cars, the way these cars are handed down the generations, and to see the youngsters, compared to me, doing some really great stuff with Stags, I think is brilliant, and we should commend them from the highest point, I think. So well done, fellas. Nice to see the Stag thriving, and I know you've got a show coming up on the 10th of May, so look out for that online to see where they're doing that over at the Sky X Stadium in Hayes in Middlesex on the 10th of May. So they're having an open show, so go along to that. Meanwhile, we'll be back online soon, so have a great week, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers, guys. All the best. Bye.